of destruction of the future, spoiling the future of the young generation, the Gen Z. We have, with great concern, we have observed that the last 10 to 12 years, there is one alarming trend in the field of education, in the field of employment. What is that trend? That trend is the leakage of the question paper. Whether it is for the job, UPSC or SSC or any other job for the teacher employment, or for the for UPSC, for the this IPS, IAS employment, or for the this NEET exam. We have seen the leakage of this. You see, 2024 there was leakage of the NEET paper. It was not postponed on the pretext that the leakage occurred only in localized level. But what we believe, it has been large scale, but it was not exposed. But again, during that time, there is a promise has been given from the government side that there won't be any further leakage. Every arrangement has been taken to plug the all loophole. But what I have seen in 2026, again leakage. 25 lakh students appeared in the NEET exam. After 2 days, that exam has been found that it has been compromised, has been leaked. It was available in the WhatsApp openly, it was available in the Telegram and all other media, and it has been sold at the cost of 20 lakhs, 10 lakhs, even in the later part of it in terms of thousands, couple of thousands rupees. And for that, what will be the consequence? We have seen that this exam has been postponed. Government has been forced to postpone the exam. Who is conducting the exam? NTG. And if you go to deep, what do you see? The question paper has been